Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Now, I know we're not the only ones with this odd staircase nook in our two-story home, so if you have a similar small space dilemma, then I hope you find inspiration in this project. Bernard started by measuring and marking the exact height where we wanted the pocket desk to be. He then built the U-shaped frame for the pocket desk using 3/4 inch plywood, and of course the 90-degree corner clamps were perfect for stabilizing the frame and ensuring the build was squared. Bernard then temporarily installed the desk frame so he'd know exactly where to begin installing the shiplap. Here we used 6-inch primed MDF boards, and since the width of this corner was not the same throughout, Bernard actually had to measure each width, then cut each MDF piece, and then install each one. Once all the shiplap was installed, he then filled any gaps and brad nail holes before taping off the space for painting. If you're interested in this particular paint color, it's Iron Ore by Sherwin, and we chose to use a matte finish. To finish up the pocket desk, Bernard cut 2 more pieces of plywood and stained them with my personal mix of early American and natural. I use about 2/3 natural and 1/3 of early American. He then screwed the bottom plywood piece onto the desk frame and secured everything to the wall. The desktop was glued on with a few brad nails added. And now this odd staircase corner looks like this. This is definitely a beginner DIY project. It's super affordable, but still very impactful. And we can actually use this corner as a functional desk if we ever needed to as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.